Welcome back to this 30 days to 10,000 views using an AI copywriting tool to answer Quora questions. For those of you who are new to the channel and new to this series, I spend 1 hour per day, 5 days a week, answering as many questions as I can on Quora using an AI copywriting tool, and I'm logging every single aspect of this journey. Someone suggested for me to watch a quick video regarding a specific method on Quora, and I did watch the video and it's actually pretty exciting. So I'm going to show you shortly what this video was all about and how I'm now going to apply it to this case study. We want to log our analytics, so I'm going to jump over here and press stats. Change this to all time and all content, and you can see I have 885 views now and 11 upvotes. Since yesterday we've had a total of 141 views, which is actually not too bad. We're going to jump over to Quora and I want to show you this new method. I've not yet tried it, so you're gonna watch me try it firsthand and see if it does have an impact. You've been following this journey for 10 days now. We're on the 11th, so let's jump over to Quora and see how this method works. Okay, so on Quora, I'm going to go ahead and head to Ads Manager, and then we click New Campaign. Now, remember, I am not allowed to do paid advertising in this case study, but that's okay because I'm not actually doing it. So watch this. So I'm just going to do test. I'm just going to select random whatever, do a random budget, click Continue, click on questions here, and then do bulk ad. And here, I'm just going to type in my general niche. So if I just type in YouTube and press Continue, what you can see is that it's now showing me all of these questions with weekly views. What's really exciting about this method is that it shows you the weekly views. So now I'm kind of taking away the gambling, and now I'm actually targeting questions that I know are getting a lot of views. The only downside to this method that I can think of is that if I know this, then there's a lot of people who will also know this applying this very method, which means that a lot of these questions have likely got a lot of answers. Now, just before this video started, which is when I watched the video, I had to try it. So I quickly jumped into Quora and I got a few questions and I saved them to answer later. Okay, just really quickly, I am going to use the pass framework, okay, which is just it's a really good way of capturing people's attention by kind of like hooking them in, sort of thing. Okay, so just wanted to let you know what's going on here. Sometimes it can take a while to try and get the blog post outline tool to generate all the ideas. Sometimes it just doesn't do the best of jobs, sometimes it does. So I'm just going to try a different method, which is giving the pro version the opening line, so kind of like the angle that I'm trying to address, and getting it to do a list, and then we'll see where it takes me from there. So check this out. We've got the title, the intro paragraph. We then use the pass framework here. We ask for engagement here. Then we use the pro version features. Oh, that should not have disappeared, but that's okay. Let's go into document history. Now let's just go ahead and start hitting the compose button, or if I think of an angle whilst going through these lists, then I'll just give the first 10 words or so and then let the compose button do the rest for me. Okay, so it seems Jarvis is struggling a little bit, so what I'm going to do is I'm just going to add 3 asterisks here, which is basically telling Jarvis to forget everything that's said here and just focus on here. So hopefully that will refresh everything and give it a new spin on things. (1,284) words later, and we have done our first blog. That's been done. This question is: my 18-year-old son wants to drop out of college to be a YouTuber. He only has 62,000 subscribers and thinks he'll make it big. How do I tell him that college is best for him? Okay, let's do this. Okay, so in this one, what I've decided to do is I've actually created my own headings purely because I've got the angle for it, but I'm going to let Jarvis do the rest of the heavy lifting anyway. Okay, so that is blog post 2, and I think that's actually a really good blog. So I'm just going to go ahead and copy, head over here, and paste, and there's blog post 2. Now moving on to blog post 3, which is what is the easiest way to make money online. Okay, and this was blog post number 3. I had to keep it short because I've only got 5 minutes left. In today's video, we answered 3 questions using the new method of basically no longer gambling with, is this question even going to get views or not? That's something that's kind of out of my hands with it anyway. So yeah, I'm actually really excited to see what happens over the next couple of days using this method. But with that being said, we have come to the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you tomorrow.